In this video, I will show you how to replace the rear window washer nozzle on this 4th generation Kia Sportage. If your rear window isn't spraying properly or the nozzle is clogged, replacing it might fix the issue. The rear washer nozzle is located inside the roof spoiler, so you will have to remove the spoiler first to access the washer nozzle. Open the liftgate and remove the upper interior trim panel to access the mounting nuts holding the spoiler in place. Use a trim removal tool or a flathead screwdriver to gently pry off the plastic panel. There are a total of 8 mounting nuts that you have to remove. 4 of them are under the plastic panel that you removed, and the other 4 are on the sides of the liftgate. Take off the small round covers to access the nuts. Before removing the nuts, disconnect the electrical connector for the stoplight. Press the release tab on the side and gently pull it apart. Also, disconnect the hose for the washer nozzle. Now grab a 10mm socket and carefully loosen and remove all the mounting nuts. After removing the nuts, close the liftgate and gently lift the spoiler away from the liftgate. If you notice resistance near the rubber grommet, that's because there is a small amount of adhesive securing the area. Just keep wiggling the spoiler back and forth while gradually pulling it upward. The adhesive will slowly release. Once the spoiler is loose, carefully lift it off the vehicle and place it on a soft surface to prevent scratching or damaging the paint. This is the hose for the washer nozzle. And if you look inside the spoiler, you will see the washer nozzle secured in place by 2 screws. Remove the screws using a Phillips head screwdriver, then take out the washer nozzle. If it's stuck, wiggle it a little until it comes loose. Disconnect the hose from the washer nozzle. Here is a close-up of the washer nozzle. Now take your new washer nozzle and reconnect the hose. Align the holes on the nozzle with the holes inside the spoiler and then reinstall the screws. Reconnect the hose on the rubber grommet if you removed it, then reinstall the rubber grommet back into the spoiler. Make sure it is fully inside the hole and is not loose. Now that we have replaced the washer nozzle, it's time to reinstall the spoiler back onto the liftgate. Before reinstalling the spoiler, clean the mounting area on the liftgate with a damp cloth. Now carefully align the mounting studs on the spoiler with the mounting holes on the liftgate. Insert the wiring harness and washer hose back into the hole on the liftgate. Make sure the spoiler sits properly in place and is flush with the surrounding panels. Once the spoiler is in position, open the liftgate and reinstall the mounting nuts. Avoid over-tightening as this could damage the spoiler or mounting points. If you have a torque wrench, tighten the nuts to 5.9 to 6.4 Nm or 4.3 to 4.7 pound-feet. Now reconnect the brake light wiring harness. Make sure it clicks into place to ensure a proper connection. Reconnect the hose for the washer nozzle. Don't forget to reinstall the small round covers back on the liftgate. Finally, reinstall the interior trim panel. Line it up with the mounting points and press it firmly until all the clips snap back into place. After reinstalling the roof spoiler, close the liftgate and test the new washer nozzle. Turn on the vehicle and activate the rear window washer. Observe the spray pattern on the rear window. The fluid should come out evenly and cover the glass properly. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to Wheels for more DIY car maintenance tutorials. Thanks for watching.